Hello guys, this is your girl Beautiful Lee, and I'm coming to you guys today with a MacBook Pro unboxing. This is my first time with a Mac, so I'm very excited. So I'm just coming to show you guys how my computer looks and which one that I got. I also got this adapter piece for HDMI because the computer doesn't really have many inputs. So let's just hop right into the video. So once you open up the computer turns on by itself. It also has this protective covering around the screen. I also ordered a case off of Amazon. I got this pretty glittery green. Okay guys, so that is it for this video. If you have a Mac, let me know down in the comments section. I love my computer so far. If you like this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.